Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate WhatsApp into your Shopify store. This can be a great move for your business because WhatsApp offers a direct line to your customers, allowing for more personal and immediate communication. Not only can it help you build stronger relationships, but it also enables you to respond to inquiries in real time, making your customer service more efficient. Plus, integrating it with Shopify is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can get it up and running in no time. Let's start by heading over to the left-hand panel within your Shopify admin interface. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Apps. This section is your gateway to enhancing your Shopify store with various functionalities. Whether it's adding social media tools, improving customer engagement, or managing inventory, apps are a powerful way to expand your store's capabilities. Today, we're focusing on integrating WhatsApp, but feel free to explore other apps to supercharge your store. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be directed to the Shopify App Store. This store is filled with countless apps designed to extend the versatility of your Shopify store. From shipping management to marketing automation, there's an app for almost everything. In the search bar, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top of the page, type in WhatsApp. After entering your query, you'll instantly see a list of results generated by your search. The right app for us will be one that's designed specifically for business and customer communication. Now, scroll through the results until you find the WhatsApp application. It should be unmistakable, but make sure to select the correct application by confirming it matches WhatsApp's official recognitions and icons. You'll typically see the WhatsApp logo, which will reassure you that it's the right one. When you found it, go ahead and click on the app. This will bring you to the app's dedicated page. This page provides all the necessary information about what the WhatsApp app can do for your Shopify store, such as features, reviews, and pricing options. Take a moment to review the details. Sometimes, apps offer additional features like automatic message templates, order notifications, and more that can enhance your store's workflow. Here, you'll also find the installation button. Simply click Install. This will initiate the process of adding WhatsApp to your Shopify suite. Once you click Install, Shopify will handle most of the work, and the app will automatically be added to your store's ecosystem. After a brief moment, the app will be installed, and you'll see a prompt or guide on the screen asking you to connect your WhatsApp account. For this integration, you'll need to connect the WhatsApp account that you use for business purposes. It's important to use a dedicated WhatsApp business account, as this allows you to streamline customer communication, automate responses, and manage inquiries more professionally. This connection allows you to seamlessly manage orders, queries, and customer interactions directly from WhatsApp, keeping everything unified and easily accessible. The connection process typically requires you to log in or scan a QR code from your WhatsApp mobile application. Don't worry, the screen will provide exact instructions based on your account configuration. If you don't already have a business WhatsApp account, you can easily set one up by downloading the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store and following the prompts. Once you've connected your WhatsApp account successfully, that's actually all there is to it. Your WhatsApp account is now integrated with your Shopify store, and you're ready to engage customers in a more interactive way. This feature is especially valuable for businesses that thrive on quick, personalized responses. Imagine a customer adds an item to their cart, but has a quick question before checking out. You can now answer in real time, reducing the chances of cart abandonment. Remember, this integration allows you to leverage WhatsApp's extensive messaging platform to build stronger relationships with your customers, providing them with another layer of support and communication. You'll be able to keep conversations flowing smoothly, notify customers about order updates, and answer pre-sale questions instantly, which leads to better customer satisfaction and potentially more sales. Enjoy exploring this new addition to your Shopify toolbox, and happy selling! Be sure to keep an eye out for more tutorials that will help you optimize your Shopify store and take your business to the next level.